What's up, lads? Good evening, good evening. What is happening? Well, let me add some. All right, are we ready? All right, check. All right, guys, looks good. Shall we go ahead and start the day off? Start the evening off, New York session. Let's go. Perhaps 45 should be good. All right. So today was actually a pretty good trading day. Drop a comment if you're there on the YouTube stream. Drop a comment if you're in any trades or looking to get into any trades. Let me know what's popping. Yep. All right. Okay. All right. Looks good. Alright, so this was Asian London trade. there were potential buys above 42.910, and that's exactly what happened. To buy opportunities basically. Okay. Alright lads, we're back. Alright, so yeah, we're back. Let's go. Alright, so there were two opportunities. We marked this out in the Asian session. I called it out in the Asian session. If we broke above 720, we should be on our way up. We broke above. We had a 10 pip stop, or yeah, literally a 10.5 pip stop, and we pushed up around 16 pips. Yeah, my runner got closed out at 20 pips, but the rest of it was closed at 15 pips. It just pushed up real fast. So yeah, right there. And so then we came back down, we retested the support, and we continued back up, right? And so it only made sense if we break this resistance. We have this clean traffic, right? So in this clean traffic, what do we decide? To take a little bit of this clean traffic also, and another 20 pips, 22 pips. It broke above and continued. So you see, all we're doing is just taking trades on the break, right? On the break of zones. And so today it was beautiful price structure, so we had two beautiful trades. Now we're gonna redo our analysis, right? We're gonna just remove analysis which we've already done. Alright, so we're just gonna go down the time frames and come back up. Sorry, we're just gonna go down the time frames, yeah, from higher time frame to lower time frame analysis. So as of now, how many days the month have gone by? 7 days have gone in the month. We have a resistance that was formed up here on the monthly time frame. Coming down to the weekly time frame, we had a minor resistance that was formed over here at 154 flat. We have a support that is formed down here at 152 flat. We have a daily, yeah, the daily zone is also respecting 154 flat. Actually it could come down to 700 actually, but yeah, since we have a daily, so right now what are we doing? We're creating a daily support right over here. If you notice this level, we're creating a daily support right over here. So I would just say, let's just say 500. You know, just use a psychological level and go with it. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Okay, so now you see on the 4 hourly we can get a little more detail. There's a resistance that was formed here. We formed the support, we broke it, faked out, right? So then we have a 4 hourly resistance right here, which we are breaking above and continuing, right? So we have a 4 hourly resistance right over there. You see what I marked?
Yeah.
This 160 level, in fact, you can use 165 level. 153, 165 is a very important key zone. So this 4 hourly fake out was pretty prominent. Going down to the hourly, that was an hourly fake out too. We had an hourly resistance created right over here. We have a zone right over here. So 165 actually is a very important zone. Let's just look at 180 all the way to 150, let's say. Okay, and I'm gonna move this to 170. Alright, you see how 170 zone also plays a vital role in this? So now I can readjust it to 160. So it's a 2 pip range. There you go, there's a 2 pip range. Once we break above this range, we should be able to fill this, right? 466, 470. It's around 30 pips up there, so yeah. what we're gonna be doing is waiting for this resistance to break, of course. And honestly, if this candle closes nice and bearish and the next candle bullish and the next candle closes bearish, I wouldn't mind taking some sells. It has to close below 152, 153 flat. So there you go, we have some potential buys up there at about 170. We have some potential sells below 153 flat. So now moving on to GBP USD also. USD also moved so beautifully, dude.
USD, what
Oh
analysis from, when was this? Okay, yeah. It's been like this since yesterday's markings also.
no. Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah, it's in that range, but now it's breaking above. On the 15 minutes, there's a resistance which is seemed to be breaking.
Yeah, so once it breaks this resistance, it should continue back up.
Yeah,
So
we have what, 12 seconds, 10 seconds.
yeah, let's just watch it clearly. Go to the 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute or so is closing weak. So I guess if the next 30-minute creates a bottom wick and then a top wick, then we could expect it to continue. Is it okay? It's 4:30.
30-minute made a bear candle.
Yeah, and dude, look at the 1 hour time frame. I think once we break the hourly high, we should continue back up. We're now in this new range, right? The range from what level is this? 200.
Are we entering on early break of the high?
It should continue pushing. From a technical point of view, it should continue pushing.
Or JVP.
So if you're confident in it, go for it. So yeah, once it breaks the high, it could continue. But remember, it could just reject off this level super hard also.
Yep, that level has had good rejections.
Yeah.
And ranges, that's why. Let's see.
Maybe once we break above 250. Meaning like a 15-minute candle close. Yeah. Let's see. If this candle comes and begins to break this top wick now, then we should be absolutely flying. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you how and when to enter.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute to at least close.
Yep. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so we're just gonna wait for probably a 15-minute candle to close or a really good break of the topic to continue. Interesting. Just watching this real carefully.
Yeah, man, it's struggling so much.
Yeah. That would be a sign.
Yep.
But remember, it could just give us an absolute banger once it breaks up. Like yesterday, remember how we missed it?
Yep.
Yeah.
We didn't look at it because it was struggling only.
Yeah.
Okay, it's broken, but I'm gonna wait for closure.
Yep, that's good discipline. So even if it pushes up like 200 pips now, you're sticking to that discipline.
I'll be very sad if that happens. 200 pips. But yeah.
So I'm in with half a position. See, like these trades are interesting, okay? But I want you to first catch these trades. Because the probability of an impulse, like, can you see this candle closure above?
Yeah.
Continuation. What did it do next? Candle closure above, continuation. Want you to first catch those trades. Because the probability of this working out is almost close to not much. I will probably close it out in like at like break even possibly this trade. If I don't see it push now, I need it to push now. It's like 1.5 pip profit. I can just take that and walk away without staying in this. But I needed to push now. That's if it's going to push. Two-hour time frame says it's going up. 1 hour time frame says it's going up. 30-minute time frame says it's going up. 15-minute time frame says it's going up. So I needed to push up now. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna just get cautious. I don't have to be, but when it's an impulse entry, you wanna be twice as careful.
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna monitor the trade carefully, watch it, and if it does something I don't like, I'm gonna just like close out and break even. If it pushes, I need it to push now. This 15-minute candle has to be my candle, or at least if this 15-minute candle closes above here, that'll look good for it to continue up, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, so that
Last 5 minutes in the 15-minute. No?
yeah. Oh wait, that would give you confidence to enter now after it closes. Yeah, I don't like that. We need this 15-minute to close above that zone. We have 3 minutes for this to close above this zone. Gold rejected. Okay, 80.8. Okay, I see it. We break below this. Yeah, we should continue. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, 1.5 minutes left.
It's pushing.
So let's look at it on the 1 minute time frame. So it's been struggling at this.
Yeah. 1 minute is a different
Yeah.
perspective.
Okay. 5 minutes. Once you break the top, we should continue.
Okay, top is broken. We are good to go. I'm guessing. I'm hoping.
Yep, hoping.
30 seconds. Come on, man. Don't push too much. Don't push too. It's like, oh. Come back a little.
A little bit.
Stay. Not that much. What? Rejecting now. But it was good. Let's see.
Emotional roller coaster.
Oh my gosh. You don't have to help me. uh,
Yeah, as it starts making the lower wick, you can get in. So that's good. Once it breaks the top, we should continue. We need to be careful of this level.
on the 15-minute, right?
On the 5 minute itself.
Oh.
Yes. $280 level is look to your left.
1 second. On the 5-minute?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. That's why it's rejecting.
But yeah, of course the 15 minute is stronger. We've just broken a 15-minute resistance, so by all means it does look like it should continue once we break the top.
Top breaking part is the pain now.
Yeah, sitting away. But you see what I mean by New York isn't like a banger of a push.
Yeah, it's not doing anything properly.
Alright, come on, 15 minutes. Let's break the tops.
Yeah, look at the rocket right there.
Let's look at some 1 minute price action. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna close in like 1 pip profit if it comes down below this level, yeah.
Yeah, same. And mine will be in loss, but I will close.
Yeah.
Hopefully break even. Let's see.
Let's see. Yeah, let's give it some time and space to run, and then see how we can handle. That's just so sad. Not liking it. If it 15 minutes. Look at that, 5 minutes. It's taking a dive. Let's see if it comes back to my entry. I'm just gonna close out. Yeah, look at it. It looks like it's rejecting the zone.
Yep.
Unfortunate. We just got faked out. So you're not now just watching how you can manage risk on this. It's pushing super hard. I think, perhaps just let it run out, let it run for a bit. DJI also rejected a resistance of 170.
What is gold? Gold is not doing anything now.
Gold's ranging, waiting for a breakout. GBP JPY and GBP USD both
Rejected.
look like they're rejecting a certain zone and coming down. What's up, guys, in the chat? Gold looks like it may go up and break out. Gold's gonna go. Previous two highs, it's broken the previous two highs. Can it fill this range? At least fill this wick. Dum, dum. Just managing risk. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Are you out?
No, just holding till it hits stop loss at
Stop
least.
loss. Yeah. So you see how a lot of the times impulse entries won't work, and a lot of the times what you notice is like even the 15-minute time frame isn't strong enough. Where this morning I caught this on the 30-minute candle close. This 30-minute candle close.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Yeah. 15-minute, if I entered on this, I'd have got stopped out because it broke below this. You saw that? Oh, even this 15-minute. If I had stopped below the candle, it came and stopped me out. You saw that? So 30-minute time frame is like probably our go-to.
The best one for us now.
Yeah. Let's see. This is, I mean, 4 pip drawdown. So out of the 20 pips secured today, I'd be only 18 pips up for the day. 16 pips up for the day. Okay, it's pushing up. Okay, let's get this 30-minute to close outside. Once it goes up in if it goes up in a profits, I'm bringing a break even. I'm not sitting with this.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm at break even. No, like my position's not at break even. The price is at break even for me. Push a little higher. Two minutes left. Come on. Let's get this 30 to close above. It's right at entry. Entry, sentry. 1.5 minutes left. Gold has broken above the resistance, but there's a resistance up here in the 400 level. You see all the candle wicks to the left, so you want to wait for the trade once we break above the candle wicks. Okay, so I will be closing my trade out over here once this candle closes. If it closes the way it is. Because that would be a proper fake out. 15-minute candle closing below. Our zone is a fake out. Dun, 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 dun. How many seconds left? 7 seconds. Yeah, I don't like this. I think let's wait for this candle to create a top wick.
Then we'll check it out.
Yeah, then we'll check it out. As of now, this is the fake out. We've closed below resistance. Once the candle makes a top wick, or I'm gonna close out if we break the low.
We're at the low.
We're right at the low.
And we're out. No, at the low.
Not yet, not yet. Hand on trigger. I wanted to make a top wick so I can close it out.
Same. It's lower loss.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'll call change.
Oh, Chain said he won't be able to come.
Ah, okay.
His grandparents have just arrived.
Oh, sorted. Same pinch. Mine also have come.
Dun, 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 dun.
Come on, push down, but give us a top wick.
I know, right?
Ooh, but it is struggling there. Maybe we'll reject that level.
You never know. This candle can be an absolute banger.
Depends on which side you get banged. Okay.
Alright. Let's get ready to close out. Come on, man, make a top wick. So try to not let this go back down, okay? So as soon as it hits your break even, try to. I would personally say get out, because I don't see why this candle should continue up. Like, of course, on the 1 hour time frame, we've made the bottom wick, and once we start breaking the top wick again, it should continue. But as of now, it looks super weak. Oh, I'm in profits right now. Listen, I'm not taking that tension. I'm out, yo.
Yeah, I'm holding little bit more. Come on, little more. Come on.
I got out in. Oh, I got
And profits.
Yeah, I got out in
GG.
half a pip profits. Pretty much break even. Guys, if you're not comfortable with a trade, if you're not comfortable with something you're holding, then you should get out.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, it looks like it's rejecting that level. See, this thing, again, like I said, it can absolutely fly. Buys. Break even. Second time I'm going on break even on you for the day.
Now it went more higher.
I can feel you about to rage.
Until you hear me smash my mouse on the table, it's all good.
Change where you at. I'll tell
Smash
you
your
what,
mouse.
we're gonna have a psychology session this week, okay? This week no educational session, this week is a psychology session.
Alright. Alright, give me like 5 minutes, no voice chat, I'm right here.
Yep. May I know who are my 3 viewers on YouTube? Can you enlighten me? What are you all up to? Who are the 3 viewers firstly? What's poppin' secondly? Thirdly, price is right now and Gypsy's break even trigger.
You didn't have to say it, I'm looking at it and feeling bad.
Yeah, that's alright.
Ready go, that's all.
Yeah. Sheesh. So yeah, as the estimated price should continue up once we break above these 15-minute highs and 30-minute highs. So this looks like it was just a deep liquidity grab in order to continue up. So we'll find out what it is once we break some of the highs and continue, Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So you see how we haven't broken out of the zone as yet? We need something to close above this level. Gold looks like it's hard rejecting. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it hasn't broken above the top. So you could say this zone right over here. Yeah, a close above that zone would give us a good move. Da-da-da. So yeah, welcome. Let me know what trades you're looking at. Let me know if you want me to analyze any charts y'all have. We can do some analysis. Let me know if you're in any positions. And what's up? If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and give us a like. So we were in a geo trade from here. I took it once we broke the high, the 1 hour high. We went into profits, we went into some drawdown. When it came back up, I closed it out in about 1 pip profit. Because I'm just not comfortable. I wasn't comfortable with the price action right over here, because if you look at it, we did fake out. So yeah, definitely wasn't comfortable with that. And so now we could be looking at this to 80 level. Alright, you're just focusing and searching for things that follow your trading plan. Right now I'm just searching for a setup that would follow my trading plan. You see, half now, 1 hour, everything has free traffic on US dollar, so I'm just waiting for a good entry. I gave it one try. I want to give it a second try when this 15-minute closes above this level. I'd give GJ a shot once it closed above 170. It's pushing. We're not getting any good volume pushes like we should, so we're just waiting. Alright. Gio's off to the games. Yeah, it's moved up 7 pips from where we were. Gypsy? Gypsy?
Yeah, I'm here.
How are you feeling?
Don't talk to me.
Your analysis was right though.
Yeah.
So you see, you had the right idea
Yeah.
to enter
I
right
need
now.
extra room. I don't know why.
Yeah. So what we're noticing that we're not getting those volume pushes.
Yep, I heard you.
So we're just wasting time. For me in GBP JPY, when I took my trade in the morning, it was just a straight volume push. That very candle, next candle just pushed up straight. So when you look at it, it was a straight push up, right? I didn't look at the 15-minute at all. It's like whatever happens, but yeah. So let's just see. This could be a good move. GBP USD is still pushing up. If anyone has taken the trade we called from here, then y'all are in a good position right now. Y'all are almost there at target. So GBP JPY is gonna give us an entry right now. Pum. Sheesh, look at this massive wick. Pum. Dun. Okay, GBP USD is almost there. There you go. That's your 10 push to GBP USD. I just wanted to manage my trade, guys, so That's just sad. That would have been 30 pips for the day. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, the next 15 minutes. Oh, it hasn't closed yet. Dun, dun.
GTA is rejecting and going down. Oh my gosh, GU. Did you see GU?
Yeah. Can you see how it went to straight T 10 pips and rejected? Gold, if we have a bearish engulfing, nothing like it. Bum bum bum. Oof. But GU still looks like it's gonna continue. Whether I close above the resistance. Of course, this rejection is just bad. Bad marketing. What would our stops be like? Wow, no. From your entry, how many pips did it go up? Almost 7, 8 pips.
From my entry right now, it's at 5. It went all the way to 7, 8. Yeah, I went to 8.
Yeah.
But it's pushing again. Let's see.
Yeah. Did you get it?
No. I didn't get in again. That
Yeah.
huge rejection, man. Again, it's pushing back.
Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna have a live interview, okay?
Oh, who's that?
We're gonna have a special guest. 1 second.
She coming? Damn.
Shut up. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Special guest. We'll have special guests right on the trades and stuff. Okay, and we'll change the color to red. There we go. Alright, you see special guest. Yo, can you hear me?
I don't see it on the YouTube stream. Okay, screw you. I don't like you.
Alright, in all honesty.
Back. Yeah, back.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Okay, give me a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Pum 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 pum. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
I'm here.
Alright.
In all honesty, hey, I'm not special anymore. Good,
No,
I'm not.
you weren't
I'm
there.
not talking.
You weren't there.
Not-
What to do?
Not
Alright,
talking.
guys, welcome back to DC Talks and sponsored.
Listen,
Welcome
you
back to
stream-
DC Trading and Company, sponsored by DC Talks.
You stream New York session, nothing else, please.
What?
You just stream the New York session, enough, nothing else.
Why?
Why you drag me? Where's change when you need him, man? Can bully
Yeah.
him.
Alright,
Fine.
so
I'll
interview
fix
time, okay?
Uh,
Okay,
I
so
can't talk.
you have to be honest though, 100% honest, okay?
Hey,
Of course,
I'm
no
just-
personal questions.
YOLO, then let's go.
Yeah, meaning about your personal trading life, okay? Hey, over
Okay.
here only trading talks.
Ah,
Okay.
Finally some. What's
Okay, in all honesty, alright, how have you felt about your recent trading life?
Oh, very stressful.
Very-
Saw what happened.
Yeah,
Very stressful. I've not got any profitable trades in a while. Little sad to see, but everything starts slow. Have
Yeah.
to hold on.
have you ever felt like, so in your trading journey, have you ever felt like this isn't possible?
Every single day, man.
Yep. Have you had that self-doubt?
I answered no. Same answer as previous. Every single day.
Every single. So you see how it's like you feel like it's pretty much easy to do. You feel like it's pretty much achievable to do.
Yeah, but it messes with you.
Yeah, but in your own mind, you feel like it's actually a bigger struggle than you would have probably imagined,
Yeah, definitely.
right? So that's where even I went through that a really long period where like I told you, right? I was just like, this whole thing is a scam. Nobody makes any money in this. This whole thing is like just like I thought it was just another pyramid scheme.
Mm.
Okay, people just get interested, come, give their money, and then done. All right, and
Yeah.
so that's where you need to go back and see why haven't you been able to achieve what you've possibly wanted to achieve. And so that's where we go back and we look at it. So if you're trading like a particular strategy, let's say you're trading like 30-minute breakouts or something, okay? So
Okay.
every day when you come to the charts, you're just gonna look at it, okay? So today I came to the charts, whatever. So it's been Asian session.
Mm.
Oh, we did catch this trade. I did catch this trade. So I would have come and marked my resistance, marked my support, right?
Mm.
Gone to the 1 hour time frame. Alright, so that was my support on the 1 hour time frame too. And so when I look at it, now I need to analyze right over here. How could I have caught this trade? Right? How could I have caught this trade? And so the question be, okay, it came down right to my support and it closed at my support. Right?
Mm.
And the wick was below all the other previous wicks. So how could I have caught this trade knowing that there was clean traffic to the left? So that's where you need to come to the charts and start back testing. So you would say, okay, once this candle broke the lower wick, I could have gotten into this trade, right? And that would have taken me up how many pips? That would take me up like 16 pips, 15 or 16 pips. So does that really work? So I would again go back to the drawing board, okay? So let's look at forming. This was a key zone before, okay? We formed a support. We said if we break this support, we'll be able to take the trade. If we break this resistance, we'd be able to take the trade. 30-minute, right?
Yeah.
So what you notice firstly is that we have our zones drawn, right? So this is the support, and beyond the support is a range, right? It's a range. So once we break back into this range, we have so much of space to go up, right? And so what happens is we've seen this clean traffic, and we want to somehow get this clean traffic. Okay, so now we are waiting for this resistance to get broken in order for it to break and continue, right? So what did price do? Price continued. It came up here. It broke here. We put stops below it. That's around 7 pips. And price continued up, literally for 30 pips. You would have scored your 10 pips right over here. Easily. So you see, okay, so I've gone and back tested it. It worked this time, okay? Now let me test another time. Okay, so there was a resistance. There was a resistance, and there was the support now in here actually. So there's a support down here. And so now just going to the higher time frame. Let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. Just gonna look at that. You see my support is down here when the actual support is actually up here. So I would have seen this massive rejection wick and said no thank you, I'm not interested in this, right? Because I don't think I can afford to have a 30 pip stop loss. So even if I went down the time frames, is it feasible if I went down the time frame? Still not feasible, because there's a support right here, right? And prices closed right at that support, so there was literally no way I could have entered this. Okay, and I'm only talking about my trading strategy. If you're trading on how when the candle breaks out, okay? Interesting. Anyway, so when I'm looking at it again, okay, so I'm gonna go down the time frames again, look for if it happened again. Okay. Oh, look at this 15-minute candle. Okay, so we formed a support right over here.
Yeah.
Okay, I could go the 30-minute time frame, I could stay on the 15-minute time frame. The support is the same.
Yeah.
Alright, so now again I'm looking at this. Okay, could I have taken this trade? So now I'm on the 15-minute time frame, price closed below this. So could I have entered? Okay, so that would have been like 12 pips off. So that's actually not bad. That's just 2 pips over what you would normally have, right? And guess what price did? Price just continued down for like 20 pips. You see, just breaking that support. Look at it again. Go to another place. Okay, so go back to 30-minute. Go back to another place. Even over here, we formed a resistance. What I do every morning: buys if we break above this resistance, sells if we break below.
Below, yeah.
Right? And so looking at this again, I would have measured this. So we close down here. Okay, 8 pip stops. That's it. Okay. So again, you would have gone into this trade. Price would have pushed right down. Your 10 pips would have been up here, and price actually moved 25 pips. So you see, so now again you continue doing that. You keep going back. Is my strategy feasible? Alright, so this was my resistance. We broke above. That was too far up. 20 pips. No chance. I'm not entering that trade anyway. So what's the next best alternative? Okay, can I sell this? Okay, so now check if that support is the same on multiple time frame. On 15-minute, the support is the same. Okay, it's not the same on the 15 minutes, so let's say I want to take it on the 30-minute. Right, this is back testing 101 basically.
Yeah.
So going to the 30-minute, so price is about to close over here, so let's just measure up the zones. So that's about 12 pip stops. Again, you see 12 pip stops. So probably I would have reduced my lot size to, like, let's say 70% of what my original lot size is going to be, right? So this would again remain 10, like 1% only of my account, right? And so what did price do when it closed? We came down at least one till the wick, 20 pips. So you see, you gotta go back. Sometimes it's gonna feel impossible, but what you're
Yeah.
gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go back and fight it. You're gonna have to go back and find it. I remember calling this on Monday. GBP JPY, was it on Monday? Yeah, on Monday. Literally, so many traders went into drawdown on Monday because of this. But so everyone believed we were rejecting this level. What did I say? If we break above this level, we're going up, because they saw this level also and said that we're going to reject this. Okay, well, what we need to do is we need to go to the higher time frame and look at it. Okay, on the 1 hour it's basically like a fake out. On the 30-minute and everything, there's resistances that have been formed properly. All right, so that's why when I looked at this, see, there's a key level of resistance right there. So once we broke above this, I was confident about it. So what I would have done is, since look at how massive this candle is, but since we're breaking such an important zone, I know that there's going to be some energy in it. So what did I do? I would have taken this with a 10 pip stop. Open
No.
with a 10 pip stop. And guess
Alright.
where it went? It just went for it. Alright. So again,
But-
you keep going down. How could I have gotten to this trade? Okay. I marked my zone. Okay. How could I have got this trade? I marked it. How many pips below this did it go? Okay, it went too high. So since it's breaking this zone, firstly, I'm giving myself reasons to take this trade. There. What are those? Low highs, right? Low
Yep.
highs, low lows, low highs, lows. So once we did break below this, I was confident in that trade. So I would have taken this trade with just 10 pip stops. You see that?
Yeah.
So that actually makes sense. That 10 pip stop makes sense, because if price comes back above this support, it's coming back into this range. Okay, it's coming back into that range. So I don't want price to come back into that range. So I took the trade, and guess what price did? Price crashed 80 pips. See that? And so now again, we came back the next day. We had a resistance, we had a support formed. Okay, now that looks like a good support. How could I have taken this trade? So 30-minute, again we closed with a wick that is almost below all the wicks. Could have taken it on the break of the wick. Alright, but that's not important, because that didn't come into my trading plan, right? That wasn't part of my trading plan basically, because I'm waiting for the candle to close below, right? So how could I
Yeah.
have taken that? So anyway, so looking at this, so we came down here, right? What's the time? 8 o'clock in the morning. We created a resistance, we created a support right here. Why are we taking the support? Because fake out. Get it?
Yep.
So I said once price breaks above this region, I'm gonna take buys up to here, right? What did price do? Price broke up right over there. Stops below that candle, exactly 10 pips. Stops, beautiful. What did price do? Price moved up so swift. That was 15 pips, 16 pips, right? Give myself another reason to take a trade. Major resistance, price broke above, right? There you go. I take another entry. What are my stops over here? Stops, 10 pips again, 10.5 pips. What did price do? Price went straight up, another 15 pips. I'm already up for the day, 30 pips. You see that? Just following my plan.
Yeah.
You see how we could have got cheated over here by trying to take an impulse entry and not following the plan?
Yeah.
We could have tried to take an impulse entry over here as it broke the high. So what I'm noticing is, yeah, we could have got cheated here. Yeah, we could have got cheated right here. So we're gonna say no more impulse entries, all candle closures. Okay, no
Yeah.
more impulse entries, all candle closures. So we would have been 30 pips up for the day straight up over here. Two trades. Broke above resistance, closed, took it. Broke above resistance, closed, took it. Guess what? Come back in the afternoon. We formed a resistance. We're like, oh, we have this massive clean traffic to the left, right? Which we want to capture. In the previous case, we had this massive clean traffic to the left, right? In the previous case, we had this massive clean traffic to the left. So looking at it, when we broke above this level, you would have taken a position. Stops at 11 pips.
11 pips.
How much did price push up? 22 pips. Price push up 20 pips. Okay, so you're up 50 pips for the day from just following only your trading plan. You see that? The previous day, you would have been able to come up over here. Five pips stops, you would have been up, let's say, at least 20 pips in that trade, right? We would have waited for price to break below this support to take a trade. Didn't work out. Price continued down, right? So price continued down. Price created a support resistance in New York session. 430 resistance support. Let's calculate how much did it close under. Again, we would have put stops to 10 pips and taken this. So that day you would have been up. Let's just say we took this for this candle. 40 pips you would have been up. So 40 plus 20, 60 pips you've been up for the day. Right? So I want you to just honestly remove all the noise. Okay? Just remove all the noise. Sometimes it's going to get discouraging. Sometimes it gets like a little bit of a lonely sport. But I want you to remove all the noise. Go there. I'm personally doing this. Alright. Okay. I think it would have hit your 10 pips, right? GBP USD would have hit your 10 pips.
Easy.
There you go. Easy 10 pips. Your analysis was on point. You're part of the 1% who had the right idea. Right? But you're also part of the 40% whose execution didn't really pan out, right?
Yeah.
So what happened was, it's not actually your execution, it's you overmanage the trade. Alright? Which a lot of us tend to do, so that's no problem. But what you need to do is now focus up on how you could have caught this trade a little bit better. You know, how what would your mentality have to be over here? Alright? So go back to the 30-minute. Since we broke above this resistance, you would get in and you would just hold it. Right? Right over here. Oh wait, that was 15-minute. There you go. 15-minute. Our resistance was here. What do? Once we got in over here, we just held it. No excuses. So that means you're practicing just letting it run to your 10 pip stops loss, which it wouldn't have, which it would have gone to your take profit straight up. Alright? You see that? You just gotta go and back test super hard. For me, I'm removing GBP USD out of my list. I'm just gonna focus on GBP JPY. Actually, you know what? Keep GBP USD also on your list.
Yeah.
Some days GBP JPY is not gonna move. Some days GBP USD will move. So you wanna have those options. But what you need to do is focus on what makes you a winner. Right? If just being disciplined and staying focused on these breakouts makes me a winner, that's what I'm gonna stick to. Alright? So do it for yourself, Prani. Now go back and check it out. Okay? Now go back and check it out. The next time price has formed a support, and I took this trade. I had like 10 pip stops. Okay, broke below the support. I had 10 pip stops, and it moved down 15 pips. See that? Even in that tough situation, you were able to make it. So same way over here also. So let's just check that support out. There you go, support formed. Took the trade as a broke it. 20 pip stops, so 10 pip stops for us. How much did price push? Price literally just came down almost 60 pips. You get what I mean, Prani?
Got it, dude.
Just trust me. Sometimes it's gonna feel unwinnable. Sometimes it's gonna feel like it's not possible. But guess what? When you go back in time, why has it worked so many times? Right?
It is possible.
Yeah, because there was something wrong in the way I was executing it. For me today, so now when I do post trade analysis, okay, I took this based off the 1 hour time frame. Okay, broke above. I took it based off the 1 hour time frame. I placed my stops on 30-minute time frame above. I think it was this. No, it was above this. 8 pip stops. Okay. Now what happened? Okay, I took it on the 1 hour. I knew I had 8 pip stops and I left it. What happened to me? Wait, let me just mark 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips. Look at that. If I had taken it on the 1 hour and just focused on the 1 hour and left it, right? I know it was below my normal risk of 8 pips, right? Of 10 pips, and just left it to be, we would have had a profitable day at the New York session. But I managed my risk, I managed my stuff, and I was able to end it at break even. So that was the good point. You were also able to break even, right? Or was it 1 or 2 pips in loss?
Yeah, almost break even.
All right, so there you go. You're part of the 1% who didn't lose, basically. And so that's the amazing part of understanding trading. You need to just keep going back to the past, understanding what really worked, and then coming back and fixing it. Right? So tomorrow when you come to the charts, you're going to mark a support and resistance. Not going to take it until it breaks. And once it breaks, you're just going to let it run to your stop loss, okay? Just let it run to your stop loss. I'm not going to teach you all the dynamic risk at all. Y'all are just going to let trades run to stop loss. Okay? Nothing more than 10 nothing more than 10 pip stop losses. And plus this wasn't on your real account anyway, right?
Demo, yes.
Demo. So continue on demo. Start taking I think you can take 1 lot size and 10 pips. So yeah, so if the stop loss is 13 pips, you reduce it to 70-cent lot. Alright?
Alright.
So yeah, so you gotta just come back. When you're not feeling it, you just gotta come back. You gotta make it work.
Got it.
So yeah. And
no push today.
No push, yeah. 5:30 is already done, yeah. So you see what I mean by New York just isn't a vibe anymore. New York just isn't a vibe anymore. But GBP USD, what you took was perfect. That's a picture perfect trade basically. It may not have been as smooth, but it's a picture perfect trade. Right there. Just look at this, okay? Literally just 10 pips stop. Exactly 10 pips. 10 pips stop. I wanted to have 10 pip profit. 1:1. Look at that. That was the most peaceful trade. So all you had to do was just follow that plan. Just focus on the plan and follow it, okay? So don't trust me, don't let these things discourage you, because sometimes it could seem unwinnable, literally. But it's all about focusing up on your plan and making it work. So yeah, right here we had a support 930-ish. What a price to it, broke below the support, so 10 pips stops. Right, 10 pips stop. Guess how much you push? You push 12, 11 pips, 13 pips. You're secured. It would have reversed also. For me, I got stopped out at break even on GJ on my runner basically because it came down and went back up. Once I had a stop loss at break even, so it came down and stopped me. But I secured almost the entire bag up there, so that's it. So you just need to keep looking, man. Give yourself reasons to come back to the charts. Give yourself a purpose. So yeah, I hope that was able to boost it up a little.
Okay, dude, I'm gonna head out. I'll catch you in some time.
So, no problem. We're just gonna call it a stream, guys. It was a great stream. It was more educational about psychology and going back and back testing your trades, back testing your strategy basically, and giving yourself purpose. All right. So just like that, don't overtrade, don't over risk. If you're not comfortable, go back test stuff, understand why you're doing it, and give yourself a reason to come back to the chance the next day. All right. All right then. We shall see you. Take
Bye.
care. See you. Safe trading. Bye.